And this is something I didn't expect to be doing today. Hello and welcome back to my channel. This video actually starts right here in the UK, but I'm doing a campaign to the Netherlands with KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, and flying to an unknown city. Now let me just explain. They're going to send a few different people to a few different cities. I have to go and find a Holobox, speak to a hologram who's going to explain to me where I'm going. I'm going to hop on a flight. KLM Royal Dutch Airlines flies from 17 different cities in the UK to Schiphol Airport, and then make my way to the city. And of course, if you are new here, please consider subscribing. Hit the like button if you're enjoying the video. Pop any questions in the comments below, and feel free to turn on those notifications so you don't miss the next one. I do love a spontaneous trip, but I'm looking for a Holobox. I'm guessing being the Netherlands, it's gonna be orange, but honestly, I have no idea what to expect right now. So I've just been told by Tamara here, that I'm going to Breda, and I'm going tonight. So I'm going to the Netherlands with KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, and this is tomorrow. Let's go. And just like that, from learning my destination in the Netherlands from a hologram, I'm now boarding my flight to Amsterdam. Next stop, Breda. And we have landed in Schiphol Airport, as you can see from the famous clock behind me now. Very easy flight, lovely staff, takes about 40 minutes on to Breda. This room is ridiculous. Thank you, Breda Marketing. All right, I've made it to Breda and my room at Hotel Nassau, I think that's how you pronounce it. There's obviously a lot of history here, so I'm looking forward to finding out about that tomorrow. And also, what's this all about? Nothing to confess. There's a lot of confession stuff. There's a few little bits and pieces like this that I'm waiting for an explanation for. Either way, this room has got stunning views over the city there, 360 panoramic views. You can see the lady down there, which I think I just showed you in the room tour. Anyway, excited to explore Breda. I've been told it's a good night out, a good party city. It's quite late, but it is a Thursday night, and I think a Thursday night is quite a good night to go out here. So I'm gonna go explore. I'm gonna have dinner downstairs in the hotel, which has been kindly organized by Breda Marketing, as of the gifts and the beer and the other bits and pieces, so thank you for that. But yeah, I'm gonna pop downstairs, have some dinner, wander around town. Let's see where the night takes us. I can't guarantee it will be a party night. I've got a big day tomorrow, jam-packed itinerary, cycling, cool things to do in Breda, but I will go and have a drink and show you some of the nightlife. So I have come downstairs for dinner at Hotel Nassau. Great setting, really nice bar. I've got the bitterballen, which is obviously traditional to Netherlands, and I've got a sea bass that looks so good, and a local beer, which is the same beer that the tourism board left in my room, Frontal, very local to Breda. Cheers. Good morning. It will be my first day exploring Breda today, and I've started off grabbing a coffee at Brandpunt. Being Valentine's, they have a little Valentine's special cappuccino. The hotel was amazing. The breakfast room, the history there. I even had a quick look in the confession booth, nothing to confess for me. Anyway, I did have a little wander around town last night. I explored the city, I saw the bars. It was a little bit late, so I wasn't partying with the students. I had to think about today, because today will be a full day exploring Breda. So the first thing we're doing today is a walking tour with Jikka from Breda Walks, which is also called Breda Wandelt, which you can see right there on her back. She's just ordering me now a stroopwafel.
Yes, perfect.
I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right. It's a sweet waffle, I guess. And yeah, then we're gonna have a good old walk around the town and learn about Breda. Thank you very much. Is it all for me?
Yeah, for you. If you
Okay.
don't enjoy, just say.
Thank you. Thank you.
But you eat it anyway.
I'm
That's polite.
I'm gonna enjoy it.
No, no, just
You might have to help me though. All right, let's give it a go. Oh yeah, that's good, that is. I think they're gonna have to help me finish it.
Hi, my name is Jikke and I am from Breda Wandelt, and we organize all sorts of tours, and we are really happy to get you over here and fall in love with this beautiful city because we've got everything.
After my walking tour with Jikke, I have now come to Stek and I'm just about to have lunch there in Prooef. Prooef means taste in English, and it's set up by two ladies, one of which is blind, hence the taste name. The food is supposed to be very good, and Stek is actually a little industrial area full of startups. So that's pretty cool, pretty trendy spot. So having a really good tour around Stek with Johan, telling me all about it.
Hey.
Really interesting how this is like an opportunity for small businesses to see how they like being entrepreneurs, see how they like running their own thing. But also Frontal was just here, right?
Yes, was here.
Frontal started just here, which is the beer I was drinking last night, which is the beer that they've given me kindly from the Breda tourism. And now they are huge and have moved into a much bigger premise and export all over the world. So that is a true Stek success story. Alright, so Remco has just shown us around his amazing electronics shop and said, do you want to have a little ride on my electric scooter? Of course. I said yes. Amazing fun. This is something I didn't expect to be doing today when I woke up. I'm wrapping up an excellent day by finishing off with dinner at Moly, which is very interesting, looks very cool inside. But it's been a really good day here in Breda. I totally recommend you come here. There's a lot to do, a lot to explore. 1.5 days wasn't enough, but for sure I'll be back soon, maybe quicker than you think. Just like that, from Breda back to Southampton airport. One thing I love about KLM, Royal Dutch Airlines, is you can fly to 17 different airports within the UK. So I always go back to Southampton, my local airport. So easy, so nice to be home and not have to go to London. That was a fantastic trip. Thank you to the Netherlands, thank you to Schiphol, thank you to Breda, and of course thank you to KLM. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Feel free to drop any comments below. Give it a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Other than that, thank you for watching and happy travels.